Hello everyone. Welcome to Legal Talks with CS Yatin. In today's episode, we will explore a powerful Supreme Court judgment that reinforced the principle the corporate firm cannot be a shield for fraud. The case is Delhi Development Authority versus Skipper Construction Company of 1996, a landmark decision where the Honorable Supreme Court of India lifted the corporate will to hold promoters personally liable for defrauding home buyers and violating court orders. Skipper Construction Company, led by the businessman Mr. Tejwan Singh, was developing a luxury residential project on the land allotted by the Delhi Development Authority. But what started as a grand vision soon spiraled into a web of deceit. Skipper Construction began illegally selling flats to multiple buyers, raising large sum of money without actually constructing the promised towers. Worse still, they violated multiple court injunctions and diverted the money to other shell companies floated by family members. Frustrated with the blatant disregard for court orders and public trust, the Delhi Development Authority approached the Honorable Supreme Court of India. They sought an action against the company and personal accountability of its directors for contempt of court and fraud. The Honorable Supreme Court, led by Justice K. Ramaswamy, ruled in favor of Delhi Development Authority. It held that Skipper Construction and its related companies were used as instruments of fraud. The court pierced the corporate will and declared that the directors and promoters would be held personally liable. This case reinforced two crucial doctrines. Number one, lifting the corporate will to expose the true wrongdoers. And second, contempt of court for blatant disobedience of judicial orders. It also became a milestone in consumer protection, real estate fraud, and corporate accountability in India. Delhi Development Authority versus Skipper paved the way for Indian courts to treat companies as extensions of their promoters in fraud cases, allow personal attachment of assets in extreme cases, and set stronger precedents for holding directors accountable. Even today, this judgment is cited in real estate scams, cheat fund frauds, and even in SEBI investigations. So remember, a company may be a separate legal entity in the eyes of law, but fraud makes it personal. If this video has helped you understand a landmark case in company law, like, share, and subscribe to Legal Talks with CS Yatin. Let's keep decoding law through storytelling.